is a VDE set of 10 screwdrivers from Felo, perfect for electricians and other professionals. The ergonomic handle assures precise work and prevents increased muscle stress. Each screwdriver is tested and approved to work under 1000 volts AC. There is a tip type symbol at the bottom of each handle. The set consists of the following screwdrivers: 4 slotted, 2 Torx, 3 Phillips, and 1 PoziDriv. Additionally, the set contains a rack that can be mounted to a wall and keeps the whole set nicely organized. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.